Lyceum TV. The RCA Lyceum TV was a commercial monitor/receiver with a large input/output panel on the back and a 20-foot 6.1 long grounded plug. During the mid-80s, RCA released the Colortrak 2000, a television identical to the Dimensia tabletop model. Even though the Colortrak was considered the mid-range model, those bearing the name Colortrak 2000 were considered high-end, along with the Dimensia. The Lyceum TV, Dimensia, and Colortrak 2000 models all basically had the same chassis, a wood-grain veneer or black laminate for some Dimensias, and fabric-covered speakers on the sides of the cabinet. Many Colortrak 2000, Lyceum, and Dimensia TV came packaged with a very large remote control, the Digital Command Center. There are several different versions of the Digital Command Center, but a main feature was that it could control an array of selected RCA components, all with the one remote, a universal remote only for RCA products, so to speak. The Dimensia version of the remote was called the Dimensia-Intelligent Audio-Video and had identical buttons to the Digital Command Center. Features. The RCA Lyceum TV has an array of high-level features including video noise reduction. This system reduces the appearance of noise in dark areas of the picture while maintaining full detail sharpness in bright picture areas. Full resolution color. The Lyceum TV is the first receiver to process the full transmitted color signal for up to 3 times the color resolution of conventional TV for certain critical colors. Automatic color balance. Automatic circuitry monitors and balances the output of 3 electron guns. The system virtually eliminates color drift and provides consistent, optimum color balance during tube warm-up and for the life of the tube. Detail processor. RCA Advanced Design Signal Processing Systems help provide the richly detailed and precisely accurate picture quality demanded of a high-performance commercial component. The picture resolution is increased and the circuitry intensifies tonal gradations where black and white images meet, so objects are outlined and picture detail is enhanced to make it stand out from backgrounds. Digital Command Center. The RCA Lyceum TV came packaged with this matching remote, the most advanced and sophisticated remote control system. The Digital Command Center lets you activate the TV functions and also controls for programming channel scan operation and the on-screen clock. Channel tuning, a system that utilizes a precision quartz crystal to generate a stable and exact frequency reference for all VHF, UF, and cable channels. When a channel is selected, digital control circuitry directs the tuner to the exact frequency required. Automatic picture control systems. The Lyceum TV utilized all of the built-in automatic picture control and convenience features found in the RCA Colortrak 2000 models, including automatic color/fleshtone correction. The set maintains color intensity and fleshtone hues to the settings you've selected on the TV. This circuitry monitors the hue of every picture element, watching for and adjusting critical fleshtone errors while also maintaining the accuracy of background colors. Automatic contrast/color tracking allows you to adjust the contrast, color, and overall brightness of the picture with a single control. When turning the picture control, the TV activates electronic tracking circuits that automatically keep contrast, color, and overall brightness in proper balance. Automatic light sensor. This acts as an electronic eye to monitor the amount of light in the room. When the light level changes, the light sensor's light-dependent resistor circuitry automatically adjusts the picture brighter in a room with bright light and darker for a dimly lit room. Automatic sharpness circuit. The RCA-designed sharpness control system tracks sharpness that is consistently matched to your preference. Black lock contrast circuit maintains black levels and picture detail even under high contrast conditions.